It's absolutely fascinating to see how these two lasers are used to improve the stones, or also in dermatology to improve the skin aspect. Both lasers are complementary. They are targeting different, they have different wavelengths, they are targeting different also chromophores or using the heat. And one is ablative, the other is not ablative, so they will have different benefits, but also different side effects. So care that is very important on the skin, and here it's also very important on the stone to make sure that it's not too ablative.
For us, it is extremely important because in the sculpture field, many pieces we have to restore were displayed outdoors and have black crust or thick grime on the surface. And sometimes the limestone is more fragile than the black crusts, and we have to find a way to clean them without damaging the original material. And laser, which has only thermal and mechanical action, help us not to damage the original surface. So it's a lifesaver, in fact, for us.
Both the skin and the pieces of art will suffer from the time, from also the environment such as UV exposure, pollution, climate changes, humidity, and they will have an impact on the aspect, both of the skin and both of the piece of art. But they can also suffer from treatments. So this is why it's very important to choose the right device for the right issue, to make sure that we will treat the issue but not harm the skin or the piece of work.